In this video, I'll show you each and every element in your Shopify admin. So on the left, you see a panel with the elements to click and edit. So the first one is home. So obviously, this is the dashboard that you will see every time you will be logging in to your Shopify admin, and you can find few shortcuts here. So this is very, very useful. The next one, once you will start taking orders, you will find all of those here. Also abandoned checkouts. So this is all here. If you click on the products, you will see all of your products listed here, and you can add a product from this section as well. Okay, this is collection, so this is also important. You can add new collection here, and you can assign products to these collections. Your customers will be stored here, so there will be automatically information, and database will be generated here from people who placed orders. You can also import customers if you are moving from a previous platform to Shopify. Analytics is really useful. You will start seeing data here after your website goes live, and you start getting visitors. You will have it's very, very general information, more general than you would get from Google Analytics, but it will give you data on how many visitors you had per day, how many orders you had in a certain time, which products sell the best, and so on and so forth. Marketing section includes Shopify own email marketing program and campaigns and automation. So that's quite useful as well. You don't have to use it. You can use outside platform like MailChimp, Omnisend, or Klaviyo. Under discounts, you will be able to create and manage all of the possible discounts. Under app section, you can manage your apps that you downloaded previously. You can integrate them. You can visit Shopify App Store. It opens in new tab, and you can browse apps if you would like to add them to your store. If you click under online store, you will find the first section is themes. So this is where you manage your themes. Blog posts, so obviously this is for creating new posts. Pages, so for adding and managing pages. Navigation for your top and footer menu. Domains, if you wanted to add domain or connect previously transfer domain. And preferences to set up your store, basic information. So this is Google snippet, meta title, meta description for your homepage. So this is social sharing image preview. If someone shares your homepage or other page, this will be the default image that will be shared on social media. And if you wanted to integrate Google Analytics account, you need to paste your code from Google. It will be explained later on, so don't worry if it's too much at this stage. This is also for Facebook ID, Facebook Pixel ID, and obviously if you wanted to change the password, you can do it here. Under settings, you will find additional information that you can set up. So for example, add payment provider, customize your checkout page, add shipping rates, add tax rates or tax, obviously your tax bracket and tax information, locations, gift cards, so notifications. So for example, the emails that are being sent to customers, you can manage when they are being sent, and obviously customize the content. In files, you can upload images, videos, documents, sales channels, so you can sell via Facebook, Amazon, so on. So you can integrate them as well. Plans and permissions. So if you are the new staff member, you can manage their permissions. Store languages, if you want to have your Shopify store available in other language than English. and obviously billing invoices and legal pages, so you can generate your terms and conditions and privacy policy.